Well, hello, how you doing, folks? The vanishing salt in a shaker is a trick you want to use with other methods, of course. So I want to show you how I built this from going to Dollar Tree and picking this salt shaker. Um, it's not the best one because it is a square shape, but it is two for $1, so you can do it in experimentation, see if you like the effect, I guess. But what you really want to do is you want to open the cap and you want to go and you want to find a clear tube, either from a shampoo bottle or from some kind of a product or either just a clear tube. And this tube needs to fit inside the mouth of the salt shaker that you pick. So it fits tightly inside, and it will sit inside like this at this height below the mouth. All right, so this way the salt can go inside the tube. So those are the two requirements to build this product. Either super glue or epoxy, they both work very well. And for me personally, I kind of gave up looking for a tube that fits inside the shaker, so I 3D printed my own using clear filament. So I needed a specific size and model, so this is why I printed my own. But you do need to kind of shop around and see what you can find for a tube that is clear as possible and as tight as possible to the mouth. That's the first requirement. The other one is just to reset the trick is not that bad. So let me perform the trick first, and I'll show you how you can reset it. It's not instant reset, but it's really simpler than you think. So for example, you do, a thumb tip vanish of some salt, and then when the audience really like looking at you very closely, you can use a different method, maybe using this salt shaker. So you can, for example, take the salt and shake it in your hand, and you can clearly see that the salt is, was removed from the shaker, and so you do your vanish like this. So this is a different method using the salt shaker. Now to reset this is really what you need to do is you need to have two units. So you make two of them. And what you do is you just open one and you just fill the salt from one to another. That's really how easy it is. It's not instant, but it is easy. A sponge ball, you cut it like a clown nose. You put a rubber band to just make it easy for you to take in and out. You shove it inside the tube so no salt will go inside the inner tube. You empty one in the other. You close this one. Now this was ready to be reset or refilled on the next performance. You tap this a little bit. You remove the sponge, which, as you can see, the rubber band failed me. So I'm going to use my fingers to pull it out. And right now, the second salt shaker is ready for the second performance. I know this is a little bit annoying in a table hopping situation, but it's not as bad as it is. It's not going to take a few minutes, it's just a few seconds, as you see. And then you perform it again. You can use a handkerchief, right? Actually, the one from Dollar Tree, it might work better. So you be the judge. Again, you put it here, and you disappear the salt in a different method. Albaker have a model of this. I believe it's the same method. I believe so. I'm not sure. It's a discontinued product. But yeah, do come up with cool routines, and thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. And if you do need this tube that goes inside the Dollar Tree model for your experimentation, if you want to do 3D printing, I will add the link to the Patreon page where you can download the file. Don't worry, it's going to be a free file, so it's free download. And if you would like to support us, please do. Well, thank you very much. See you next.